In recent interviews, Cristiano Ronaldo has been outspoken about his former club, Manchester United, expressing his desire to one day become a club owner and instigate a complete rebuild. He believes the club needs significant changes from the ground up to regain its status as one of the best in the world, highlighting the need for infrastructural investment and changes beyond just coaching staff.
I'm not a coach. I'm never going to be a coach or no to. Maybe owner of the club, yes. If I will be the owner of the club, I will make the things clear. And
while critical of the current owners, the Glazers, Ronaldo has affirmatively stated he could envision himself buying into Manchester United and adjusting what he perceives to be wrong. Confident in his future, Ronaldo sees club ownership as a future goal, suggesting he has the vision to make things clear and potentially reshape a club like United one day.